start on the name do you. Name do you. Na one map you start long em. Education do you one map you school long em. Na if you be working sample work or sample hap. Na finish one time relationship family do you. So you married or you not married. So example you can answer in this question or something. Tingin letter mi write him long em na CV mi write him the same time never give up. So example how we answer in this question and I can answer in myself. My name is Never Give Up. I'm from Morobe, currently living in Leh, and I am not employed. I did a certificate in basic agriculture from Leh Agriculture College. I have 4 years experience as a gardener as part of my studies and student work-line requirements, and I am single. So you give him name do you give him one of you start long em. You blow when one of you start long em, school do you, and some walk in long em within your list lab. I'm not taking you long, but I mean less than 5 seconds or less than 1 million service per question finish. Suppose you like answer the top question by the name do me and never give up. Me blow Morobe. Me blow Morobe. Now itu Mr. blow Morobe. Suppose you blow Madang we talk. Me blow Madang but now me Mr. blow Morobe. Because why am important to line the survey because you know you work start blow Morobe but you start blow Meding then how will I bring you come to here? Suppose only look in you come. So you got me blow Morobe na me start blow Morobe yet. Maybe in school na lo one class school lo basic agriculture. We got a certificate of basic agriculture na me school lo Leh Agriculture College. You know what Leh Agriculture College we are saying. Na we got 4 years experience. Me no work. But we got 4 years experience as a gardener because the school do we have been work time in school 4 years the school long em lo agriculture college lo Leh we have been work garden so we got 4 years experience because some part of work line do me. Am right ha? Na me no married. So you married? Me married na we got 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower. No me married na me no beginning here. Only this information that's over. Time ko la abuse na ba mi to bigla. One information you need to give no one information in the necessary need to give in an interview.